How to send money from Botim to Easypaisa account. First, open up the Botim app on your phone. Ensure that you're logged into the Botim account. Then navigate to the payments section from the main menu of the Botim app. Tap on the wallet or payments option in the bottom menu. You should see options to send money or make payments. Then select Send Money option, tap the Send Money button. You will be asked to enter the recipient's details. Then enter your Easypaisa details. Select Easypaisa. In the designation account, enter the mobile number associated with your Easypaisa account. Ensure that that number is correct to avoid any errors. Enter the amount you want to send. After entering the recipient's Easypaisa number, you will be asked to enter the amount you wish to send. Make sure that you have enough balance in your Botim wallet to cover the transfer. Then choose the payment method. You might be asked to choose the payment method. Select your preferred option. Then confirm the transaction. Receive the transaction details, including the recipient's phone number, the amount, and payment method. If everything looks correct, confirm the payment by tapping the Send button. Then receive confirmation. Once the transaction is complete, you will receive a confirmation message on the screen indicating that the money has been successfully sent to your Easypaisa account. You should also receive a confirmation message or notification in your Easypaisa app. Then check your Easypaisa account. Open the Easypaisa app to confirm that the money has been deposited into your account. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe. But for now, goodbye.